Hey, what's going on guys? In this quick video, I'm going to show you a neat little trick that will improve the balance and weight distribution of the Zhiyun Crane 2. So far, I haven't seen anyone post a video on this, and I truly believe that this will help at least one person who owns this gimbal. Now for those of you who rely heavily on the focus wheel, then this trick might not be for you. However, you can always reverse this process, so it's worth giving this a shot. As you can see, the focus wheel is in a way of where I believe is the best place to grip the gimbal from. In order for you to unscrew the focus wheel, you're going to need a hex key. I'm not sure which size I'm using, but if you already have a set of keys, you'll surely find the right size for the job. Go ahead and unscrew the wheel, making sure to turn counterclockwise. The wheel will come off pretty easily at this point. In order to avoid losing the screw, I suggest putting it back into the gimbal, so that if you ever decide to put the wheel back on again, it's a simple case of reversing this step. The next part is optional, but I think it will make a difference. I use anti-slip grip tape to provide more grip when holding the crane too. Not only that, but it will cover up the exposed area where the wheel was located. You can just use any tape to cover this really, but it's completely up to you. The best way to hold this is to place your thumb directly over the screen to get the most secure grip. Here's a quick comparison to show you the before and after. Not only is it more comfortable for me to hold the gimbal from the top position, but it also makes the whole setup look smaller and more manageable. Another added benefit to this is being able to hold the gimbal comfortably with two hands, whereas before this was only possible by using the included tripod legs as a handle. This makes the entire setup not only smaller but lighter and easier to carry around with you. You're also able to hold the gimbal at a 45-degree angle so you can see the camera screen easily while you're filming. And finally, if your arms get tired, you can rest the base on your hip, or you can film from this angle for extra stability and support. So if any of you guys like this video, then please leave a comment, like and subscribe, because I've got more tips to show you on how I travel with this setup. Thanks for watching guys.